Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to discuss these words that you can see on screen. You can use these words in speaking and writing module to grab the attention of your examiner. You can also use these words in your daily conversations to show that you have in-depth knowledge of English language. So without wasting time, let's begin. First word is bibliophile. Bibliophile means a person who loves to read books, then we can call that person bibliophile. Next word is cinephile. Cinephile means a person who is fond of the cinema. Anyone who loves to watch movies, then we can call that person cinephile. You can also say filmophile, cinemaphile, film buff, or a movie buff. Next word is technophile. Technophile means a person who is interested in modern technology and enjoys using it. Then we can call that person technophile. Next word is linguaphile. Linguaphile means a person who loves to learn languages and new words. Then we can call that person linguaphile. Next word is musicophile. Musicophile means a person who loves music. Anyone who loves to listen song, then we can call that person musicophile. And there is difference between musicophile and melophile. Melophile means a person who loves music for the melody rather than the lyrics. Then we can call that person melophile. So that's it for today's session. If you find this video useful, then please share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching and have a good day.